Hi everyone, just like every other day, we warmly welcome you for today. So just like every day, we have brought a new craft today as well. And people who have not subscribed yet to our DP Kids channel, please subscribe, please share our videos, and if there's anything that you would like to see us create, or if you want us to create anything, please comment, and we will look at those comments and we'll try to give those creations and see how we can do it. So now I have come to show you how to make a butterfly, and a butterfly that can fly with this creation. So now we can see we need A4 paper. I have brought two straws from two different sizes, but if you can't find straws, you can even make straws using papers or using newspapers. And for today, I'm gonna show you how it's done with two straws. We'll see what we can add on to these things. Yeah. So now this is how it's done. Take the paper and fold it. Yeah. Now we have to draw a nice butterfly on this. Now this butterfly, when you have to remember one thing, you have to draw something like this. Yeah, mark like this, and then you have to draw the butterfly like this. Right, okay. After you draw the butterfly like this, okay, now you have to cut it. Right, so this butterfly is his wings. You can draw it in different ways, right? And you can even cut it in different sizes also, and you can cut it in different ways as well. You don't have to just do exactly the same thing that I'm saying and I'm doing. You can just have the basic idea, but you have to do it according to your taste and what you like. That's how you try new things and come up with different new creations. That's what you call art is. So you can use different colors, you can use different shapes, and you can use any imagination that you have in your mind. Just use the basic idea that I'm giving you. Right, now I have cut the butterfly's piece. What we have to do is just fold it like this from here. Can you remember I told you to keep that small part? Yeah, that small part is the part that I told you to keep. Now again I'll show you. After you fold it, do this, right? Now fold it like this onto the other side as well. Now you get a butterfly, this part that you can hold. So that way you get a butterfly like this. Now you can use different colors and you can use different ways to decorate it, and I'm using something very simple and something that easy for today. I'm gonna draw something like this, and you can use different color platinums as well. You don't have to use black color. You can use different colors and different shapes as well. Now you must be thinking, now you're gonna think how this butterfly is gonna fly, right? Now let's see. I'll show you how it's gonna happen. First we'll draw this. Now like this, the butterfly has so many different variations on these feathers. So I'm gonna do it with black only today because it's easy. You can use different other colors. There are other color, blue, red, yellow, any color that you want. Whatever that's in your imagination you can use, and whatever that you have seen in your garden, even with watercolors, you can color the butterfly and then draw the same thing on both the sides. Yeah, but you have to make sure the colors on both the feathers are the same. Now for the time being, I'm going to show you this butterfly, how the butterfly is going to fly. So first I'll finish this. I'll finish coloring these parts. Now, just like I told you before, if you have any suggestions and if there's anything that you like us to draw and create, please comment, and make sure you subscribe also and share this with other friends of yours, because this DP Kids is made only for you guys, and whatever you want, we will make sure that we will provide you. So just whatever that you want, please let us know. Yeah, we'll make sure how we teach this. Now, even though this is not a butterfly that flies, but you can create on your own. Now, if your school asks you to the Montessori, or even at school, if they ask you to make a butterfly, now you know how to make a butterfly on your own. Even though you can't get a real butterfly, you can, make a butterfly on your own to fly. Right, okay, now the work of my butterfly is done. Now let's see how we are going to make the butterfly fly. Can you see? We have got a very beautiful butterfly. Now let's see how to make this butterfly fly. Now, okay, now we'll keep it on the other side. Right, now I told you use 2 straws, right? Now I'm going to take one of these, the thin one. I told you to take in 2 different size. So one of these, one is small, one is big. You have to make sure you have to put one inside the other. So, right. Now take the small one, cut it like this to a certain extent. Okay. And then get 2 pieces. Can you see? 2 parts. Yeah. And then you take that part, the part that you cut, and then the part that kept left, you just have to make sure you cut it in the size. Yeah, it was too much what I cut. So now you just have to make sure that it's as the same size as what you have kept on the butterfly. Right, now that's the size. Now use a cello tape and you have to paste it onto the butterfly, just like this. You cut it and then you paste it on the butterfly. Now you paste it like this, again on the other side as well. Right, now we have pasted it on the butterfly. Now we have something like this. Okay, can you see? Now I told you to take another straw which is bigger than the other straw. So now this has to be shorter than the other straw. So we'll keep it like this and then cut the additional part. Okay, now that is more shorter. Take that also and then cut it to a certain distance. You have to cut it a little bit more than the other straw, and you cut it like this from these 2 sides, and then you put it inside like this. Okay, the side that you cut, you put it in, and then you fix it like this. You take it up. Okay, we will have to cut it a little bit more because we have to get it a little bit more cut than the other one. Now we just put it inside, and then now you have to send it upwards until you get it to the feather. Now using, yeah, you have to paste it using a cello tape. Now the other side also use a sellotape and paste it to the butterfly's feather. Now kids who are a little bit more bigger and older can show it to your small siblings as well. Now can you see we have made a butterfly that can fly. Yeah. Now can you see a beautiful butterfly that can fly? So this is we will come up with beautiful, very creative creations. DP Kids, please keep the app downloaded and please subscribe us and please comment on us and share this. So we will bring more creations and come soon. So until such time, we are gonna leave. Have a nice day.